In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cloudflare API key. We'll actually use Cloudflare's recommended approach, creating a scoped API token that's safer than the legacy global key and lets you grant only the access you need. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right and open your profile menu. Click Profile to open your account settings page. On the left sidebar, find and select API tokens. This is where you create and manage tokens for different tools and workflows. Click Create Token. You'll see a list of templates that pre-configure common permissions. Choose the Edit Zone DNS template, which is perfect if you need a token that can create, update, or delete DNS records. Click Use Template to load its defaults. Now review the permissions section. You should see 3 dropdowns that read Zone, DNS, and Edit. That combination means the token can edit DNS for a zone and nothing else. If anything looks different, adjust the dropdown so they match zone as the scope, DNS as the product, and edit as the action. Keeping permissions minimal helps protect your account. Next, set the zone resources. Choose whether this token can act on all zones in your account or only specific ones. Selecting specific zones is the more secure choice if you only need access to one domain. But if you truly need it across everything, pick all zones. You'll also see client IP address filtering. This lets you restrict where the token can be used from. Set the operator to is in, then enter a trusted IP address or a small range. This is optional, but it adds a strong layer of protection by blocking use from unknown locations. Set a TTL, which is how long the token will remain valid. A shorter lifetime reduces risk if the token is ever exposed. Choose a duration that fits your workflow. You can always create a new token later. When everything looks right, click Continue to Summary. Review the permissions, resources, filters, and expiration one more time. If it all checks out, click Create Token. Cloudflare will generate your token and show it to you once. Copy it and store it securely, like you would a password. Use it with your DNS automation tools, deploy scripts, or integrations that require Cloudflare DNS edits. Back on the API tokens page, you can view active tokens, rotate them, or revoke access anytime. And that's it. You now have a scoped Cloudflare API token configured exactly for DNS edits with security controls tailored to your needs.